Today we are going to discuss a test paper. See, the question says a mental math sum CDLXIV in Hindu Arabic numbers. So first see this CDLXIV. The first step is identify the symbol with the greatest value, that is D, which is 500. Now check what is to the left of it. There is C. C means 100. So CD together means 500 minus 100, that is 400. So we can write CD as 400. Now once we are done with this part, this is over. This part is done. Now we'll come to the next part, that is whatever we are left with, we have LXIV. Now in LXIV, the greater number is L, that is 50. To the right of it, we have X, that is 10. So it is 50 plus 10, 60. So plus 60. Previously, we had CD over here, that was 400. And now LX we have, this is 60. Now over here we have got IV, that is V is 5. And to the left of it, we have I, which means 1. So 5 minus 1, it will be 4. So this number would become 464. So we're going to write it over here, that it is 464. Next, predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number. Predecessor means before. So we have to find the number, a before number of the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1 lakh. So before 1 lakh, its predecessor is 99,000. It's done. Now we are going to move to the next question, that is the number from which a number is subtracted is called. Like 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the number from which a number is subtracted, that is this. This is known as the minus. And this is known as the number subtracted is known as the subtrahend. And after subtraction, the answer we get is known as difference. Therefore, the number from which a number is subtracted is called minus, this one. So we're going to write it over here. Next, number D, 2 more than the greatest 3-digit number in Roman numerals. First, what is the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999, that is 999. Then 2 more than that, add 2 to it. So we get 1001. Now we have to write this 1001 in Roman numerals. So 1000 is written as M and 1 as MI. So this is how we are going to write it. Next, 8 crore 60,500 in international system. First, let's write 8 crore 60,500. So 8 crore, nothing in lakhs place. Then we have got 60,500. So this is the number. You have to write it in international system. The step is, first you write the number that is given to us. Now remove the commas. Now reinsert the commas using the international system. So international system says that we have to put commas after 3 digits starting from right and moving towards the left. That is from here to here, this direction. So first comma will be here. Next comma leave 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, then put a comma here, and then this is left. So see, in international system it is 80 million. This is million side, 60,000 and 500. So it's going to be 80 million 60,500. Now we are going to move to the next question. Greatest 5-digit palindrome number. A number is called a palindrome when it looks the same when we are writing it in a reverse order, repeating 2 digits only, and we have to write the greatest 5-digit number. So the greatest 5-digit number will be, it is also a palindrome number because if you write it the other way around also, we get the same number, but you have to repeat 2 digits. So for repeating 2 digits, you have to change a number. So we are going to do is, we are going to insert an 8 over here in the middle. If we are inserting an 8 in this position, then see, if you're writing it in reverse order, it will be, we'll start from here. It is 9, next 9, then 8, then 9, and then finally 9. So it's the same number. So we get 99899. 99899. Next question, solve. This plus something is equal to this. Therefore, think the number with a smaller number. Okay. Now, suppose 5 plus something is equal to 8. Then what will be in this position? What we do is, we subtract this number from this. So we are going to do the same thing. From this number, we are going to subtract this number. So let's do it. We have got this number. Subtract from here this number. So 9, 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4. Subtract. It is 12, carry 1, 11, 2, 6, 11, 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. Again carry, this becomes 0. This is 13, 7. Again from here make it 8. This will be 9 because here we'll take this 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. And over here 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 4637292. So 4637292. Next, we're going to move to the next question. See, now Roman number is given. First step is, write these Roman numbers in Hindu, Arabic, and then we're going to solve it. So first, see, identify the greatest value number, that is D, that is 500. To the left of it, we have got C, that is 100. The CD together is 400. So this is CD together is 400. L is 50 plus 10 plus 10, that is 70. And ix is 9. X is 10 and to the left of it we have got I, so it's 9. So we're going to write 9. Added 479 is the first number. Next, come to this number, C is 100. Again this C is 100. XL is 50 minus 10. L is 50 and X is 10. 50. To the left of it is, so that is why 50 minus 10, 40. So we're going to write 40 XL and IV is 4. This is V is 5 and this is I is 1. To the left of it, that is why 5 minus 1, 4. So the number that we get is 100 plus 100, 200 plus 40, 240 plus 4, 244. So we're going to write it here, 244. We have to subtract the number. So subtract the number, we get 9 minus 4, 5, 7 minus 4, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Now we have to write this in Roman numbers because the question was given in Roman numbers. So let's do it. 235, break it up. Write 200 plus 30 plus 5. 200 is written as CC, 30 is written as X, 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 and 5 is written as V. So combine all of this and write it together. So double C, triple X, V. So this is done. Now we're going to move to the next question, fill in the blank. See, we are given a question on addition. Now see, over here, this is missing. 5 plus something over here is 0. So 5 plus something can't be 0, it can be 10. This is possible. That 1 is carried here and this is 0. So which means this is added by 5. So 5 in this position, so 5 plus 5 becomes 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 1 carry here and 0 here. Now see, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12. So we are going to write 12, 2 here, 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. And over here you can see 1 is given. It can't be 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus something can't be 1. So it must be 11. So carry 1. So it is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Now 3 and over here we have got 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And over here it is 7. So we have to get 7 from 4. So that is why we have to add 3 to it. See, if we add 3 to it, then 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So we get the answer. Next, 9. Over here there is 3. 9 plus something can't be only 3. It must be 13. So 1 carried here. 9 plus what is 13? We have to think 9 plus something is 13, which is 4. So we're going to write it here. 4. So it is 13. Now 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 is already given here. You can see here will be 2. 1 is given. So we are done with it. Now we are going to move to the next question of subtraction. Now we have to subtract and fill in the blank. See, 7 minus something is 3. Simple, it will be 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Over here there is 2. From 2, 7 can't be subtracted. So we will assume it to be 12. Okay. So 7 and subtract it from 12, we get 5. So we're going to write 5 over here. Now remember, we had taken this 1 from the previous number that is in the box, this number. So think of a number, subtract the number, we're going to get 9. Anything minus 3 can't be 9. Now think of a number, and from here if we subtract 3, we get 9. Now think of a number in this position. It will be, add these two numbers, 9 plus 3, 12. Right? So 12 minus 3 can be 9. But can we write only 12 here? No, we can't write only 12 here. So what we have to do is, and also we have to remember that we have taken 1 from this number. It is already taken away. So which means it must be 13. It must be 13 here. And we can't write 13. So we will write only 3, assuming that we have also carried 1 from the previous number. So we'll take it as 13, assuming that this 7 was made 6. So this 3 had become 13, and 13 minus 3, and from this 13 also 1 gone over here. So 12 we are left with, and 12 minus 3 we got 9. Over here we have got 6. 6 minus anything can't be 8. It's not possible. 6 minus anything can't be 8. So we will assume that this is 16. That we have taken this from here. In case we are doing this, then think 16, and again we are given 1 over here to the next number, which means this is not 16. This is actually 17. It was 17, right? That is why we had done this. Previously 7 was already given over here, but we had written 16. Okay, now we have to think 16 minus 8 is 8. Now this 1 is gone. It has become 0. So 0 is not possible. It must be 10. We have taken 1 from here. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Now think of a number that must be 9, because from 9 we had taken 1. It had now become 8. And this 8 minus 4 over here will be 4. So we have to do these assumptions. And now we are going to neatly write the answers. If we neatly write the answers, it would become, see, in this position we have got 3. Actually, in this position there is a 3 which we have assumed, and in this position you can see there is a 9. Now we are going to move to the next question. A man has this much amount of money in his bank account. He received this much from his boss. That means his amount of money has increased. Now he has paid a bill. Paid a bill means his bank balance has reduced. Now we are going to write the statements. Statement will be amount of money in the bank is equal to, we are going to write rupees, copy it down, 3427 comma 299. Next, amount of money received is equal to rupees 732433. 732433. Now, amount of money paid is equal to rupees 192317. 19,23,177. Now we are going to write therefore amount of money left with him is equal to, what we have to do, we need to understand. See, first of all, we had this much amount of money, we had received further money, and then some money is paid in bills. So this plus this minus this. So let's do it. First 3427,299. With this we are going to add 732433. 732433. Add the numbers. We get 9 plus 3 12. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13. 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 2 5. 7 plus 4 11. 3 plus 1 4. We have got the amount. Now from here you have to deduct this number, that is 19,23,177. 19,23,177. Subtract the number. See, carry at 2. This will become 12. This would become 5. Again 7 would become 6. This is 12. Again 5. 6 minus 1 5. 9 minus 3 6. 5 minus 2 3. Again we have to take it from here. This is 3. This is 11. 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the amount that we are left with is 22,36,555. So this will be our answer. So we're going to write it over here. Just copy it. It will be rupees 22,36,555.